Harnessing the power of questions, expressing presentability. Hello, language explorers. Welcome back to our journey into the realm of English learning. Today, we're focusing on presentability in questions, a fascinating component of modal verbs. When we want to inquire about someone's skills or abilities in the present, we can use specific forms and structures. Let's dive in and unlock this mystery together. Modal verbs are a special type of verb that can express a variety of meanings, including ability. When we want to ask about someone's present ability, we usually use the modal verb can. For example, we might ask, "Can you swim?" This question is inquiring about your present ability to swim. The structure of the sentence is the modal verb, can, plus subject plus base form of the verb. In English, the question form often involves inversion, switching the places of the subject and the verb. For presentability, we use the structure, can, plus, subject, plus, base form of the verb. Can you speak Spanish? Can he play the piano? Remember, it's important that the verb that follows, can, is always in its base form. It doesn't change whether the subject is singular or plural. Responding to these questions is straightforward. To respond positively, we use, yes, I can. For a negative response, we say, no, I can't. Can you cook? Yes, I can. Can you dance salsa? No, I can't. Notice how the responses are short and simple. That's because the modal verb, can, does the heavy lifting for us. And that wraps up our lesson on expressing presentability in questions. Now you can confidently ask about others' abilities and respond to similar inquiries about your skills. Remember, the more you practice, the more natural it will become. Keep practicing, and you'll be a master in no time. As always, thank you for joining us on this language learning adventure. Keep exploring, and never stop learning. Until our next video, happy learning!